purchases book. Now purchases book is used to record credit purchase of goods. Now students, it is important to understand here that it is the credit purchase of goods. By goods we mean, if we are a trading firm, then the things that we trade in, and if we are a manufacturing firm, then raw materials. And what is important is that these purchases should be on credit basis. If they are on cash basis, cash purchases, then these purchases would be recorded in cash book. They will not be recorded in purchase book. So what is important is that the purchases should be on credit basis for them to be recorded in purchase book. Let us take an example. If you deal in furniture, now any kind of furniture that you purchase tables, chairs, even wood, as wood is a raw material, so they would be classified as purchase. Now if this purchase is on cash basis, then it would be recorded in cash book, and if this purchase is on credit basis, then it would be recorded in this purchase book. Similarly, let's say you deal in stationery. So any kind of stationery items which you purchase in cash would be recorded in the cash book, and if you purchase them on credit, they would be recorded in the purchase book. Now consider an example. In this case, you are a dealer in furniture and you purchase a building. Now building is an asset. It cannot be classified as goods. So that would be recorded in journal proper. It would not be recorded in purchases book. Let us understand the concept or the format of purchase book as well. Purchases book appears like this. Purchases book, date here, voucher number, particulars, ledger folio, details and amount. Now students, you might find some variation in different books also. Sometimes voucher number is not written on the left hand side, it is written on the right hand side. But that is acceptable. These books do not have any proper or well defined format. Sometimes businesses do define or create their own kind of columns for necessary information that they might require. So we will stick to this format, that is date column, voucher number, particulars, ledger folio, details and amount. For that matter, any other book, let's say sales book, will also have the same format, but only the name will change. So now if we have sales book here, then instead of this purchases, just write sales book here and the same format will continue. Similarly for purchase return and sales return. But remember, in sales book only what will be recorded? Credit sale of goods and nothing else. It would be credit sale of goods. So now students, we are clear that in subsidiary books like sales book and purchase book, only the credit transactions are recorded and the formats appear like this. We have date column, voucher number, particulars, ledger folio, details and amount column. Only the name will change at the top, rest the format remains same for every kind of subsidiary book.